Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly the review of OTTO Insurance. OTTO Insurance is a digital-first provider offering car, home and rents insurance. It stands out with its user-friendly platform, allowing customers to get quotes and file claims. Many users appreciate how quick and easy it is to get started, especially for basic insurance needs. The pricing is competitive, making it an attractive option for those looking for affordable coverage. Customer service is well reviewed, with responsive and helpful support. Some customers find the claims process straightforward but occasionally slower than expected. The coverage option may be less extensive compared to large, established insurers. OTTO Insurance is a legitimate service, but it's not an insurance provider itself. It connects users with insurance companies by sharing personal information to generate quotes. Some users report receiving numerous follow-up calls, which can be bothersome. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.